Hey y'all, so I did a DIY candle jar hack with my Bath and Body Works empty candles. I just froze the candles to get the rest of the wax up out of it, and I took it out the refrigerator. I think I let it freeze for like an hour or so. And I took it out, the wax was frozen, and I just poked it out with a knife. Then I washed it out with some warm water and dishwashing liquid, and I put glitter on one of them. I just left one of them plain. I think I'm gonna put glitter on all of them. But I just put my lipsticks and my lip glosses in them. I'm gonna do them to all of them. I got like 4 more empty ones, I think. And I'm gonna just put my I'm gonna just put my makeup brushes and stuff in them. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe. Make sure y'all like. Make sure y'all subscribe. And I hope you guys are having an amazing day. And I will see you guys in my next video. But stay tuned and watch this video. Okay, y'all. So this is the end results. I just left one plain. I put glitter on one of them. I should show how I did that, but yeah. And then you see the one in the middle, my marshmallow fireside. I love that one so much. And then the picture in the back, one of my classmates gave me that for Christmas, and I absolutely love it. Wake, pray, slay. But yeah, this is so pretty. I think I'm gonna do all the shelves like that, because I have a few more candle jars that I want to do. So yeah, it's so pretty. So yeah, this is just my DIY hack with the Bath and Body Works candle jars.